Hey Bessies, it's Michaela. Welcome back to part 2 of unboxing mini buns and other incredible things. Let's get to it. We're gonna finish off our Princess LOL mini brand that we didn't get to finish in part 1, so let's do that. So we've got the LOL here and the dress, and I'm just gonna get the extractions, so I'm gonna put this here for it to dry. But guys, let's get a close up of this. It looks so pretty, right? Guys, while we wait 35 minutes for that to dry, we're gonna do a little cleanup. I love to stay clean. I always want to stay clean, especially in my bedroom. I want to stay clean. The instructions clearly say that we have to unclip this part, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then we have to separate it, as in take it out, I think. Guys, this is not budging. So guys, I'm just gonna ask someone for help. So guys, look at it. This is the finishing touch of our LOL princess dress. It looks so good. I actually love it so much. The pink looks good too. But the pink won't stay pink for long because it says here it's gonna change the color when we put water with the doll inside. And it looks like we still have to unwrap some things inside. It looks like we have to take off the thing here, so that's what I'm gonna do. It feels weird. I wanna be careful because I don't wanna ruin it. It's so fragile. Guys, does that look satisfying to you guys? It looks satisfying to me. So yeah, it looks satisfying, and I'm gonna put the doll inside because that's what it says to do. This is our nice baby doll. Look at it, guys. It looks so cute. We're gonna put it in now. That's what it says. It's so jelly. Let me just put it in. Yeah, because it is really fragile and cute. It looks so cute, guys. I love it so much. Guys, I think I've done it. I just have to push a bit more and then... Guys, I've done it! Guys, does that look cute or not? It looks cute to me. So that's our finishing. That's our results for the dress. And now for the next instructions, we have to... Looks like we have to put all accessories on the doll. So guys, I got the baby doll's accessories. Guys, this looks so cute. Tell me if this is your style. It's definitely not mine. I take diamond tiaras or gold. This is not my style, that, but if it's for the doll, then I like it. So I'm just gonna put that on quickly. It looks so cute, guys. Look at it. Guys, I did it. So guys, I put it on the crown. It looks a bit like wonky because I don't really know how to attach it that much. It looks a bit wonky. Actually, guys, I'm gonna put a tiara right now on it because it's hard to put on. I'm gonna need help for that. But at least I can put the shoes on. Look at the shoes. I like the bows on it. So guys, I don't really want to put my doll's dress in water just because I really like the pinkish color. It looks really cute like this, but feel free to put yours in water if you don't like the pinkish color. Now we are going to go to our next packaging, which is another and leave the fridge. And guys, we might have time for do my nails. We never know how long this will take, but if we do have time, I'll do my nails in the video. But guys, we're gonna do this first, and I know exactly what to do. Guys, I'm actually so excited for this. I never had a mini fridge. I've only had fridges, which is like really good, right? This is really good. Guys, the packaging, again, the packaging is really cute and so cute. I can't say anything else because it's so cute. Guys, this might take a while. So guys, I'm actually trying to unwrap this with all my strength, which is difficult because how the packaging is laid out. But the packaging is so cute. Guys, this candle, I gotta say, is not my friend today. It's not. What do I have to do? I need my mom for help, guys. Do you need help? Yes, please. Guys, let's go look up the fridge. This is the most adorable fridge I've actually ever seen. Let's go unwrapping. So we're gonna have the fridge here. The light is on, so go to instructions here. All the things you can get. The light is on. How many? So there is lots of things in here. Wait, hold up. There's something. And this is a scan. I'm saying that there should be ice here then. So there's ice. There has to be ice because there's something for ice. It's just everyday fridge mini. So guys, I just unwrapped the fridge and took everything out, and it's just like your everyday fridge but mini. So I'm gonna show you what's inside and what is like as a real fridge, a big one. So first of all, you've got the inside, which has the light. Oopsie guys, I'm so sorry about that. But it has the light in there, and then we've got in here. It's a bit too small, but in real life it's bigger. So yeah, guys, as I showed you, it changes color. I like the blue color. I don't really like the yellow color. Guys, I'm just gonna put the fridge aside so I can unwrap all the mini brands so I have more space. So I'm just gonna put it here so you guys can still see it. Now when I unwrap this one, I see something. What is this actually? Guys, I don't really know what this is. I think it's something you can get the ice when you do this, but I'm not really sure. So I'm gonna ask my mom, so I'm just gonna put that aside here so you guys can still see it. Now let me put all the stuff I've recently, I just opened here. Now for the next one, do you have anything else in this? Wait a minute, I know what we're making. We're making jelly. Guys, we're literally making jelly. Guys, we're making jelly. I love jelly. So guys, I know how to make this. I've seen people do this. You just open this. So guys, I'm actually gonna leave this aside so then I can open it when all of it's done. So now it's time for this one. It feels like something's round. Oh, it's hard to open these things. I don't want to break it. Wait, what is this? That's cute, guys. It's a plate of size of oranges. That's actually nice and cute. I just dropped them. So guys, I just got my size of oranges that fell on the floor. So guys, it's actually really cute. I'm gonna keep it here. And then that's for that one. And for the big one, big, huge. Oh, guys, I think this is the rest of the packaging for the fridge, for all the shelves and that stuff. Look, so I'm gonna fix that after. Is there anything else? Guys, that's all of the mini bun. Oh, God, we got some magnets. Guys, I totally forgot. We got a magnet. Actually sticks to the fridge. I have to put the jello in the straw and then, not the straw, the orange slices in. So that's what I'm gonna do. Then we have to put it in the fridge for 20 to 25 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put that jello in. Oh my gosh, guys, I got messy with it. Oh no. So guys, I've put in the jelly. Can you see? It looks a bit messy right now. And it still feels watery. I have to put the strawberries in there. That's what the instructions say, right? Yeah. It says that we have to use the thing, but I'm just gonna use my hands because that's hot. Put it in. And now we're gonna put it in the fridge. So guys, before we put in the jello, we have to do the fridge, as in put all the shelves in and all that stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. Fast forward. This might take a minute. Guys, this is the finished result of our fridge. All the shelves are stacked, everything. So now we're gonna put the jello inside. Just gonna leave it here so you guys can still see it. And shut. Now we have to wait 20 to 25 minutes. And while that is cooling, so guys, I feel like it's been more than 25 minutes. So let's check on the jelly. Here's our fridge, and we're gonna check on the jelly to see if it's gone. If it's nice and warm. Guys, I think it's done. Guys, it's finished. It's solid. So guys, I got my plate and now we have to take the jelly out, as in put it like that. And I'm really excited because I don't know if it's still gonna be sticky, messy, or it's gonna be solid. So I'm excited to find out. So we're gonna do it now. So I'm gonna do it now. 3, 2, 1. Did it work? I think it messed. So guys, this is how it looks now. I kind of like it. I didn't want to take the jelly thing off because I don't really want to put the jelly on the plate. So I'm just going to leave it like this. So guys, this is the end of part 2. Don't forget to like and subscribe.